Hey, for anybody out there who might want to change out the pedals on your bike, just wanted to show you real quick a tip that I learned recently, and I thought I'd share it with you. Knowing which direction to go with your pedal wrench to get your pedals off. And so the key is this: you're always going toward yourself. So if I'm on the right side of the bike, just go backwards, and that should loosen it. And then if I'm on the other side, same thing, I just go backwards. So on both sides, if you go backwards, they're actually threaded differently on either side, but the key is just going backwards. So that's a really helpful tip because you don't want to go the wrong way. Of course, if you're installing the pedals, then you're going to go forward on both sides. So if I'm installing the pedals, I put it on, I'm going to thread it going forward on this side, and then same thing, I'll flip over to the other side and do the same thing. You get the idea. Hopefully this helps you. If it does, please give me a like and let me know this helped out. All right, all the best to you. Have fun out there. Bye-bye.